ready to unlock the power of SMS and connect with your audience like never before. Let's dive into how to send and receive SMS messages using Telnyx, a leading platform for communication solutions. First, head over to Telnyx.com and sign up for an account, or log in if you're already a user. Once you're in, navigate to the messaging section of the Telnyx portal. This is your SMS command center. Here, you'll need a Telnyx phone number enabled for SMS, so if you don't have one, purchase a number and configure it to receive SMS. Next, set up an outbound profile, which acts as a configuration for sending messages, defining things like your message delivery settings. Give your profile a name and configure the settings, most importantly the SMS Callback URL. This is where Telnyx will send incoming messages. Now it's time to send your first message. You can use the Telnyx API to programmatically send SMS messages through your application or platform. And that's it. You've successfully sent an SMS using Telnyx. Remember to check out Telnyx's extensive documentation and support resources for more in-depth guidance. Start leveraging SMS for marketing, notifications, and enhanced customer engagement today.